I've helped over 120 home service businesses rank at the top of Google and generated over $6.4 million in jobs for all of our clients in 2025. Give me the next 88 seconds and I'll show you exactly how I take any home service business from invisible to #1 on Google and ChatGPT. First thing I do is audit the Google business profile and the website. Most businesses I look at have the wrong primary category on their GBP. That one field controls what searches you show up for. The wrong category, the wrong customers, or no customers at all. On the website side, I'm looking at site structure, page speed on mobile version, and whether the business actually has dedicated pages for every single service. Then I'd build a dedicated page for every single service and every city the business operates in. Not 100 thin pages with the same copy. Real pages with helpful content that answer the questions homeowners are actually searching into Google. Each page will tell Google and AI tools exactly what you do and where you do it. Next, I'd get the business listed in every single high authority directory with the exact same name, address, and phone number everywhere. One inconsistency across 80 directories and Google starts second guessing your legitimacy. Then I'd set up a review system. Not hope customers leave a review, an actual system. QR codes, text asking on site before they leave, paying your text $25 per review that mentions their name. I've seen this take a business from 5 reviews a month to over 35 a month. Google and other search engines want to see that you're still earning trust, not just coasting on reviews from 5 to 10 years ago. Finally, I build backlinks from real local sources and publish a press release every single month through an online distribution service. That ties your business name to your city and your services across the entire web. This is what gets you cited by ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, Perplexity, etc. Most of our clients are actually getting a few jobs booked every single month from ChatGPT and AI mode. Every single month. Track your calls, your book jobs, revenue, and cost per lead by channel. Just double down on what's working and cut what isn't. And that's the system. I used it to rank a plumbing company #1 on Google and ChatGPT, and they've closed over $1 million in sales just from SEO. If you're a home service business owner and you want us to build this for you, apply at the first link in the description below.